Yeah, I'm trying to make more. I just tried to fire up another one. I got that your account or payments temporarily restricted. Your account is under review.
eBay's automated system, they found some type of flag.
Yeah.
Maybe the device type is similar. Maybe, like, did you use the same password? Maybe the address that you used. There was a story of this one lady, right? She moved into an apartment. She made an account, and then her account got suspended. And we couldn't figure out why because everything was legit. She called into eBay, right? We recorded the phone conversation. Turns out that at that specific apartment, the previous owner got banned on eBay, and they associated with her with it.
Yeah,
Jonathan, were you
so
here the whole
yeah,
conversation?
I've been here the whole time. Sorry, I got the stupid username, so no
Bro,
one.
for you, that should have been like a big convo because it gives you like the lore of like the last
Oh my
24 days.
goodness. Market gaps.
The market gaps, exactly, yeah.
Yeah, no, I mean it's always great to see like these mature perspectives from people who've been doing this for like so long. So yeah.
Bro, you're the next generation, bro.
I'm
You have
next gen,
to
next gen.
bro, you
Yeah.
have to lead the path forward, you know. We're getting old.
Yeah, I gotta have that knowledge, that lore. So
Right. Inherit whatever we did and then solve the next problem.
yeah. So let me give the quick update. So I got 6 accounts that are like kind of past warmed up now. So that's what I got kind of set up. And then yeah, I'm trying to make more. I just tried to fire up another one. I got that your account or payments temporarily restricted. Your account is under review. I got that before and then they banned me after like 2 months. I don't know what that one means, but
So you got it right now?
yeah, I made the account and then about 20 minutes later I got that.
Okay.
But
So if you made the account and 20 minutes you got that after,
yeah,
did you call in to fix it?
I have not called yet. No.
Okay. So what it means is, so eBay's automated system, right? They found some type of flag. I don't know what it is for this one because I know you're pretty experienced in making the accounts.
Yeah.
Maybe the device type is similar. Maybe the password, like, did you use the same password?
No, no, it's all different. I tried using a physical SIM, so I got that $3 T-Mobile SIM and all that. So
Right. Maybe the address that you used. What
could have
about
been a
that?
lot of things. Yeah, like something could have been out of my control, like the address was flagged or something.
Exactly. There was a story of this one lady, right? She moved into an apartment. She made an account, right? And then her account got suspended, and we couldn't figure out why because everything was legit. She called into eBay, right? We recorded the phone conversation. Turns out that at that specific apartment, the previous owner got banned on eBay, and they associated with her with it.
See, there's just certain things you can't control like that. So,
Right.
yeah.
Right. So that was just out of your control.
Yeah, but
So,
so the message I got though, it wasn't like we're here to get you back to selling where they want you to call. It was just like we're temporarily reviewing.
and then it got suspended after, right?
Not yet. And I had this happen to an account that got suspended before. What happened was I got that, everything was fine, so it
Hmm.
got unrestricted. And then about 2 months later, after I'd sold a couple $100 worth of stuff, they MC 999. So
So it usually means that it's a sign that whatever you're doing, right? Because there's some accounts that you didn't get that, right?
yeah,
So what it means is there's something in your setup, right, that is triggering them, right? And it could, like, I'm not sure what it is, right? It's hard to kind of
yeah, no,
decipher.
I'm dealing with the same kind of puzzling aspect of
Yeah,
that. Could it also be just are they also more strict around this time of the year?
100%. 100%.
I was wondering like should I
eBay
just
and Amazon.
maximize what I got, survive the year, and then try to fire them up in like January or
I think you know what, that's actually a great idea. And I think we discussed that last year as well. Like scaling during fourth Q is not like the time to do it.
doesn't
Because
make a lot of
eBay,
sense.
most scammers and everything, they Amazon security increases during fourth Q, right?
Yeah.
So does eBay's. Ben,
So
can you confirm that?
Hey, sorry, man. Sorry, I had it on mute, so I wasn't interrupting. Yeah, say that again.
Can you confirm that Amazon and eBay's security increases during fourth Q?
Yeah, for sure.
For
Yeah, it
sure.
does. Yeah,
For sure.
yeah. I mean, it's. I think it's. Yeah, if you're already established, like you're not gonna really notice it. Like I feel like on either side, Amazon in particular probably gets a little bit more stricter. I would say
But
more.
we're talking about account creation.
Oh, account creation. Yeah,
Yeah.
I mean, They get more strict in the sense of that you got to keep your metrics in line just like any other time. I think it's probably they tighten the screws a little bit more. But yeah, if you're a new account, I would definitely tread lightly for minimum 90 days, if not 6 months. So
During fourth Q. Yeah.
yeah, I mean, any time, but yeah, especially fourth Q.
Yeah. You bet.
Yeah, no, so that gives me a bit more insight there. So yeah, maybe just because I still, gotta like keep what I got and I don't want to get screwed with anything. So, and this is my first time, like I haven't been here for a year yet. I've been here for like 10 months. So like this is my first time really going through a full quarter four with eBay. So
Hmm.
maybe just consolidating, focusing on like, keeping my feedback up, getting everything shipped out, managing all the delays will be kind of the number one thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I've kind of answered my own question there. Like I tried to make a few. I've gotten one to go through, but I'm having just more like issues, and I'm thinking maybe it's just
So
the
let me give you some experimental evidence from what the big Jonathan told me at one time, right?
tell me.
So I actually observed it live with him, right? He made a total of 87 working eBay accounts in a total of 3 months,
I like
right?
that.
Right. But he didn't make 87 accounts. He made closer to 200 accounts, right? And 87 of them were the ones who lasted. And this was the pattern that we found, right? So in the beginning, like 30 accounts went through, no problem. Everything's working great, right? As it was going to the 41st, right, 42nd, all of a sudden we're noticing like accounts are getting suspended. Same method, same time frame, and then we kind of narrowed it down to the geolocation of where the accounts are being made, right? So eBay does have like a hotspot of your general geolocation, and if there's too many accounts being made at that area or getting suspended, that area is hot. Think of it like your insurance, right?
Yeah.
If you're in, yeah, if you have a high insurance rate, a lot of fraud happens over there or
And I just
something's
don't know
wrong.
if I've gotten to that point of scale, but I can see like, even with the new modem, like they can still like although it is a different static IP, they can still link it back. So,
Right. More,
uh,
I think what's more important is to have a different geolocation to kind of
and,
get outside of that.
and I do, but apparently there's other like deeper indicators. So like it's better, so like it's better for the future, but like there's still ways to link back as long as it's in the same house. It's like going
Yeah.
to the cable pretty much. So
I think if your geolocation is different, I think you'll be fine.
yeah, I mean for the second modem, so the EBS I'm trying to make right now, like it's geolocated like in the Bronx. Like it's completely different from my first. It's like I got
Right.
a separate modem. So I was hoping that would help. I'm still having some issues.
Hmm.
So I'm thinking it could just be other things out of my control. It could be quarter four. So yeah, I think I sort of answered my own question there, but I might
Yeah.
still try to make a few more, but I can always just wait a bit, take advantage of what I got, and then pump them up in like January, February.
So the way that I would do it personally, it depends like how motivated you are, right?
Maybe I should just try like agency. Maybe it's just time for that as well. Like just
Great idea.
like it's hard to make so many in my own house.
Great idea.
Yeah.
Honestly, try the agency model. I think Ben said it. Have a spread of accounts. You'll always be in the game.
Yeah, and that's the other thing is like, I think that'd be a great way to diversify. So it might be time for that. Yeah, there's some cons, but like it's hard to make so many brand new accounts when I could just be leveraging other people's accounts. So
Bro, that's a sign of scale, bro. That's the reason I like the agency so much,
yeah,
right?
no,
At
because
one point you
I'm
get tired
assuming
of like setting everything up.
I, I'm assuming you tell one person and then they tell a few other people and then you got like a lot of people to scale with. So I'll keep you
Exactly.
updated on that, but I'll probably just need to get in touch with some old friends and be like, hey bro, look at this. Look at this and look at this. I made 20 bucks, isn't that cool? And
The
then
key is you never pitch.
you're not pitching to them. So you like
You
just
let
show,
them ask.
yeah, so I'll just show like here, I sold this for 200, I bought it for 50 off of Amazon and be like, oh, I made $100 in profit from this order.
Right.
And then I remember you explaining like to do it like that. So then they're like, oh, how can I do it?
Right. The moment you're selling, everybody has like their guard up.
Yeah, no,
You know what I
100%,
mean?
100%. I get you. So yeah, I'll apply that, try to get that done. I'll keep you updated. And then yeah, I'm also gonna push a couple of my stores to Anchor. So if you have any thoughts on that, but I'm pushing one of
I think it's a great idea. If I were you, try the pruning thing first.
yeah, you know what? I was thinking because you can probably just 8K of the listings are probably like deadweight anyways. So you could probably just
Exactly.
and
Try
then
the pruning
and
and then see where that
substitution
takes you.
and where substitution is going, maybe you don't even need that as many listings. So
I mean it's always good. Like if you have high limits, I think Anchor is great no matter what.
Yeah, I'm testing it out for now, but I think there's other strategies as well. So I'm not gonna like rush it by any means. Maybe just one store and then maximize the other ones, and maybe I don't
Yeah.
even.
Yeah, you bet.
All
You
right,
bet.
all right, I'm good. Thank you so much.
All right.